What's up guys, I'm Average J and you join me back at Rednal Combat for some Airsoft gameplay. Today's video is going to be pretty different as Craig, the site owner, was able to get some sick footage with his drone. There won't be drone footage throughout the entire video as the wind was battering the drone about, so I've used what I could. All of the footage in this video is of the top field, which is comprised of overgrown and trench town. The main gameplay footage of the video is in overgrown, which is an area primarily covered in grass with some high mounds, deep trenches and plenty of man-made cover. The first game involved us attacking an LMG manned bunker with a 10-second medic rule in play. We can't take the LMG out from the front, so we need to get in behind. I choose to take the right flank as there's a long mound all the way to cover. It takes me a while to see any action as I need to remain in cover from the LMG, so there's a good chunk of gameplay missing. Without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see, I'm trying to stay behind this mound to my left. I know there's a couple of people in the trench system just over the other side of a mound in front of this one, so I'm trying to take them out. Managed to clear my entrance into the trenches, so now's time to try and get in behind them. Just a bit of a funny moment here. Another player came over to see if he could medic us without realising we'd already been medicked, and he ends up getting hit.
Double kill.
Here's part of the drone footage I was talking about. You should be able to see me in the bottom left hand corner of the circle on the screen, and as the camera continues to pan through, you should be able to see the person I'm aiming for and hit.
Yeah. Across the field? Yeah, just be careful. He's dead. There's one close. One behind that edge. Yeah, I got him. You cover
That's
that
the
lane,
best of the gameplay footage I have from Sunday at Rednal Combat. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave you with some drone footage of Trench Town just so you can see what it looks like. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially of the drone footage. Please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.